What's up, guys? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Yeah, man. Welcome to Island Vacation Travel Podcast, the podcast where we help you travel smarter, healthier, and also, most importantly, happier, right? Happy New Year. Welcome to 2025, the beautiful 2025, the year of 2025. Thank God 2024 is done. Woo! I'm your host, Al, aka Matlo. They call me Matlo because I used to travel around the water as a you check me. And I'm so glad we're here today. Um, whether you're a seasoned traveler or someone just starting to explore the world, staying healthy while on the move on is always one of our top priorities. Sorry about that. Especially during the cold and flu season, right? Now, in today's episode, we're diving into strategies for keeping yourself healthy while traveling. We'll talk about everything from the importance of hands, hygiene, and staying hydrated to managing stress, and also packaging your own health kit. Very important. Okay. Now, by the end of this episode, you'll feel prepared and confident to take on your next trip without compromising your health. This episode is brought to you by Naturalistic Health, which I am very proud of. Your trusted partner for homeopathic advice and solutions. Visit www.naturalistichealth.com. That's naturalistichealth.com to learn more. Sorry if I butchered the alphabet, guys. Now, let's get started. All right, so here we go. Now, before we dive into tips, let's talk about why cold and flu season is such a tricky time to travel. Crowded airports, busy train stations, and packed planes make it almost impossible to avoid germs. You constantly touch surfaces from security bins to tray tables and door handles and light switches. Oh, it's a lot. Yeah. Factors like that, factors like jet lag, stress, and hydration can also weaken your immune system while all this is going on. So let me just share a quick story with you, right? So I remember this one time I flew during the peak flu season and didn't hydrate myself, like skipped meals and ended up like with a terrible cold because yeah, just skipping meals. Like when you're traveling, you kind of end up just skipping meals because you're on the move, right? And I ended up getting a terrible cold in the middle of the cruise vacation when it started. Kind of put a damper on the trip. I mean, I still try and lift myself, and I still try to start drinking a lot of water to try and rehydrate myself and rest. Um, but yeah, it kind of put a damper on the trip. Since then, I've learned the value of staying prepared. Like we stay prepared, which is why I'm gonna go into this topic today, right? Now, did you know that germs can live on surfaces like airplanes, armrests for up to 48 hours? Did you know that? That's why being proactive about hygiene is so crucial, right? Have you ever had like a trip ruined by getting sick? If so, you're not alone. But don't worry. Today's episode will help you avoid that fate on your next journey or your next trip or your next voyage, right? So make sure that you tell me about your story in the comments as well. Let us know what's going on, right? Now we'll dive right into our top tips for staying healthy while traveling, right after this quick break, right? Brought to you by Naturalistic Health, with specializing in homeopathy. All right. Thank you for supporting Naturalistic Health and Island Vacation Travel Agency. That is my wife. She's a homeopathic nurse practitioner, so she got the advice for you guys from a professional. Now we're gonna go back into it, and that's how I stay healthy too. I'm just 22 years, by the way. Now, essential health tips. All right, now let's jump into the first set of tips to help you stay healthy on the go. These are some small steps that can make a big difference. One, you need to practice good hygiene. The number one tip is to wash your hands regularly. Washy like the Sun Royal Caribbean ship. Use soap and water whenever possible and scrub for at least 20 seconds. All right? Can't find a sink? Get hand sanitizer. Attach it to your bag, attach it to your belt, Get hand sanitizer with at least 60% alcohol is your best friend while you're traveling, right? Don't forget to sanitize items you touch often as well, whether it's with wipes, like the phone or travel documents. Don't forget to bring disinfectant wipes, like I said, to clean tray tables and armrests on planes and in restaurants as well, even in the bathroom, all right? Now, number two, stay hydrated. Stay hydrated. Stay hydrated. The world is made out of 70% water. Your body is made out of 70% water to drink water, man. Stay hydrated. Dehydration is a hidden enemy. I can tell you about that personally. I've had my personal experience with that dehydration. It's serious. Airplane cabins have very low humidity, which dries out your nasal passages, um, making you more susceptible to germs, right? Suggest practical solutions. Carry a reusable water bottle and fill it after you pass security, right? If you're flying long haul, drink a glass of water every hour. Just habits. And I know it might depend on where you're sitting on the plane, but that's where you also plan very smartly as well. And you get a seat, mid row, or if you and your family traveling together, they know how you organize and set that up, right? And or discuss that with your travel agent and make them set that up for you, however that works. Now, another important one, which, oh boy, a lot of people suffer from that. Get enough sleep. Travel can literally disrupt your sleep, especially when crossing time zones, right? But your immune system needs rest to function properly, most importantly. Invest in a good travel pillow, noise canceling headphones, or an eye mask to help you sleep better on planes or also in hotels. Yeah, also in airports, unfortunately, because so much cancellations happen as well. And you need to rest, and you can't really function properly if you don't rest. You need to drink water, you need to rest. Now, another thing which is very difficult, which would be number four, eat nutritious foods. Yeah, don't just eat food, eat nutritious foods. Airports are full of unhealthy temptations, but you can pack snacks like fruits, nuts, and or granola bars to stay energized, right? At meals, try to incorporate vegetables and lean protein for an immune boost. They'll always have vegetables. Yeah, just try to stay away from those that have bacon and stuff on it. Yeah, but try to balance your meals because that helps you out. Healthy body, healthy machine. Number five, incorporate exercise. You may get busy, you might get very busy, but try to incorporate some form of exercise while you're on vacation. Just came back from the cruise, and yeah, I really thought about going into the gym and I didn't get a chance, but I did go into the spa. You know, we did dance a little bit too. Um, Incorporate exercise. Exercise isn't just for fitness, it helps improve circulation and reduce stress. That's well known information. Walk around during layovers or do simple stretches at the gate. Even when you're sitting on the plane, try to stand up once in a while, right? Very healthy. Now, I know this tips may seem very basic, but they're incredibly effective when you make them part of your travel routine. And once you have it in a routine, you got it going, right? Now, I mean, you have to realize that travel is something that you gotta end up doing if you're somebody interested in the world. So, we're just gonna go ahead and we'll come right back to this. Let's just take a quick break. Before diving into more strategies to stay healthy while traveling, don't forget to subscribe to Island Vacation Travel Podcast, right? Don't forget to tune to Travel Big Podcast for more travel tips and inspiration. Sorry about that, guys. We'll be right back in just a second. So, guys, let's talk about travel update, right? Just gonna give you some travel updates and little tips. Let's talk about the top five ski destinations for the ultimate winter adventure between January to March. So, gonna be bringing it to you quarterly and that kind of stuff, right? First on our list would be Vermont, USA. Yep, Vermont, USA. On mud skiing terrain, Vermont is renowned for its diverse mountain slopes, offering everything from beginner-friendly trails to challenging expert runs. That is amazing, Vermont. Good job, good job. Right. Next on our list, we have Aspen, USA. Yep, Aspen's four mountains offer diverse terrain for all skill levels. That's good. Yeah. Further on our list, we got Zermatt, Switzerland. Give it up for Zermatt, Switzerland. Yep. It's a skin beneath the iconic Matterhorn. Zermatt is renowned for its breathtaking views of the legendary peak. Very nice, Switzerland. Fourth on the list, we got Whistler, Blackcomb, Canada. All right, peak to peak gondola, the world's highest lift. That's in Whistler, Blackcomb, Canada. That's amazing. That's amazing. And fifth and not least on our list, we got St. Anton, Austria. This is a world class of piste terrain and dip powder skiing. St. Anton is known for its expert level slopes. Each of these destinations offer a unique experience. That is amazing. That is amazing. That is amazing. And guys, this has been your travel update on what is going on in travel. And if you're trying to go skiing, right? So now we're gonna get back to our program show, right? Staying healthy while traveling, right? We didn't forget, no, guys. So, final tips. Want to first welcome you back. Let's finish up with some additional tips that can really make a difference when you're traveling during cold and flu season. All right, first of all, manage stress. Well, not first of all, that's six. Sorry about that, guys. Six on the list because we left off from five. Manage stress. Stress is a major contributor to a weakened immune system. Whether it's travel delays or a packed itinerary, make time to breathe and unwind. Try using a meditation app or simply taking a few deep breaths when you feel overwhelmed. I do that as well. It's meditation. It helps you. Number 7 on the list, stay informed, guys. Stay informed. You got to stay informed. You got to know what's going on. Whether it's news, articles, social media, newspapers, magazines, whatever it is, stay informed some way, somehow. Everything is not real. Everything is not true. But at least try and stay informed so you're not ignorant running around the world. Health advisory as well, because that's how you're going to know what's going on in what part of the world before you get there. Health advisory can change quickly, especially during flu season. Check government or health organization websites for updates. Oh, sorry. Ooh, sorry about that. Blessings. Right, before you leave, make sure you check out for the, like I was saying, government updates on the health organization websites before you leave. And number 8, pack a health kit. I mentioned that earlier on. At least you could stay prepared, right? Pack a health kit. A well-stocked health kit is your first line of defense. Include essential like hand sanitizer, disinfectant wipes, travel size tissue, and any medications you might need. Don't forget a small thermometer and even vitamin supplements like vitamin C, right? Omega-3, if you use them regularly. And I would suggest you to stay boosted too, or moringa, you know. Now, here's my challenge for you guys. On your next trip, implement at least 3 of these tips. Whether it's packing a health kit or prioritizing rest, small changes can make a huge impact on your travel experience. Remember, the goal isn't just to avoid getting sick, but also to enjoy the trip to its fullest potential without worry. Take care of your health is the best way to do that. Right? Yeah. Yeah, guys. Now that's it for today's episode of Island Vacation Travel Podcast. I hope you found these tips helpful and feel more confident about staying healthy while traveling around during the cold and flu season. If you enjoyed this episode, please share it with someone who loves to travel and leave a review wherever you listen to the podcast. Don't forget to follow us on all social media handles, from TikTok to YouTube to Instagram and Facebook for more tips and updates. Now, next episode, we'll be talking about something even more interesting concerning